Python if statement has the last form, that is nested if case. In this case, when we are using an if statement inside another if statement, then this is the form of nested if statement. So let's see how we can use this nested if statement in Python. Suppose we have a variable a and its value is 1, and I'm using an if statement here. If a is less than 1, or I can say if a is greater than 1, greater than equal to. So if this condition is true, I want to put another if condition inside this if. So here I'm using a nested if inside the outer if. That is why this particular format is known as nested if format. So here I am writing if a greater than 1, print one. Print above 1. And for else part, I am very sure that my value is actually 1. So this is the way we can write a nested if, where a main condition is there which is going to check a is greater than equal to 1. Here both the two cases will be true. Either the value of a is greater than 1 or it is equivalent to 1. Now when this condition is true, we are moving to the since the condition is true, we are moving inside the if part, and again here is a condition which will distribute the two values. The first condition is actually a is greater than 1, that means the value is above 1, and its else part is definitely the value of a is equal to 1, therefore it will print 1. Let's check what will be the output of this program. Since I am giving the value of a is 1, so which part will be run? First condition will be true and it will comes inside the if statement. So this is the nested if case, and the nested if, and in the nested if the if part is true, false actually, so it will print else part, that is 1. So here we will get 1. Let's change the value of a from 1 to 5. Suppose I initialize the value of a as 5, and again I am going to run this particular program. So here in this case I am getting above 1 as output, because my first condition with if is true because 5 is greater than 1, and when I am going inside the if, the second if will be checked, which again gives the true value since 5 is greater than 1, and thus it will print above 1. Thank you.